that's why actually we are not able to open it.
Housekeeping को bedsheet भी कुछ changes
No, sir.
I will go now. So the lactation. I think it can. Lactation good. Okay. It's not this one. But we have enough. So this is our intensivist consultant, medical officer, Alistair. Who was it? Getting a good job. She's a consultant, intensivist, ICU specialist, and she's medical officer. So they're doing a good job in ICU. Lot of patients. But able to manage, we are able to hold on to patients here, no?
Yes, sir.
We are now handling patients who would have normally, been transferred. Okay. 9 bedded. At least we didn't have anything. Have something backup. What's the posting on this?
One minute. Hello. कितने staff हैं? How much staff is there for sister right now?
और shift कितने आ गए? 4 जाता है दुकान? 4 per shift. Total.
So sometimes even 5, 6 or 7 also.
Posted कितले आ गए?
20.
या ICU. आम्ही नवे घेतल्याने स्टाफ मग MTS चे किती गायब झाले म्हणून ऐकलं. MTS कोण आला?
MTS sir. So they are now become permanent or they, I think MTS is also on contract, sir. They just brought temporarily.
Okay. But there were some 12, no, that were taken. But there were 12 taken, no? Okay, doctor.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
12 were taken.
Yes, but all these